Hello everyone, welcome to Foodie by Heart. So today we'll be cooking a very special dish, that is egg curry. And for that we start off with taking 4 eggs. Put a small scratch or put scratches on its surface so that the gravy gets inside or seeps inside the egg uniformly. Next, take onions, garlic and ginger. You don't have to cut them very fine, coarse pieces are fine. Take 1 cut tomatoes. Now in a pan, take around 2 to 3 teaspoons of mustard oil. I'd be using mustard oil for this cooking because it gives a better taste. Let the oil heat and spread it all across the pan. Next trick is very interesting, wherein you'd be using turmeric powder directly on the oil. Now why I'm using this? Because it gives a very uniform texture to the egg when I would be boiling them. Many prefers using them before, but I prefer it directly onto the oil. Now you fry the egg slowly and roll over when you are cooking. Slowly and gradually the color would be uniformly distributed across the egg. They would turn yellow, and fry them till the time there is a layering is there on the egg. Now you can see it has turned yellowish brown. You can remove them now, take them apart. Yeah, you can see it's very well fried now. Now put red chilies, onions, our cut onions, fry them for some time. You don't have to fry them very hard, you can fry them. Now put garlic and ginger onto it, fry them on a medium flame. Now add the tomatoes and again fry it for around 3 to 4 minutes till the time the liquid gets evaporated. When it's kind of dry, put some salt to taste. Now fry again till the time it is little dried out, and when it's dried, as you can see, it's gradually the onion is getting brownish in color. Now when it's done, when the water is evaporated, pour them in a mixture grinder and let it cool for some time, and then you grind it, make a paste of it. Now again take a pan, use that remaining mustard oil, put some cumin and bay leaves, 1 more red chili, 2 clove and cardamom. Now fry it well. Now till the time it gets fried. Once it's done, now pour the entire paste onto the pan and cook it on a low flame. As and when the cooking progresses, the entire paste would turn little brownish in color. As you can see, after around 3 to 4 minutes, the entire paste would be turning into brownish in color. Now add turmeric powder, add cumin powder, add amchur powder, dried mango powder, red chili powder, little bit of sugar you can use, and salt to taste. Now stir it slowly on a low flame, and you can see the gravy becomes even more darker in color. Now it's almost done. Use some lukewarm water and this would be based on the amount of gravy that you want for the dish. Cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now you can see it's almost done, and as soon as it boils, you pour the eggs into it, and now stir it slowly and steadily. Our egg curry is almost done, and you can see. So I hope you like this video, and before taking it out, put some garam masala into it, and now it's almost done. Now you plate it, and you can have it with rice or roti. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like it and share it. Thank you.